Hi, and welcome to Marc Went Sailing. I'm Marc, and today we're going somewhere special.
The Austrian Boatshow.
Now, the first thing we looked at was Beneteau's booth. Beneteau make great yachts. We checked out Beneteau 45 and its little brother, the Beneteau Twin.
We're currently in the Beneteau 45. Beneteau 20, is that right?
Beneteau first 20 feet, yes.
One thing that caught our eye looking at these boats was the propeller setup.
That's not normal because normally you have a right-handed propeller, but here you can clearly see it's a left-handed propeller.
We're currently walking through the warehouse with the big boats and yachts, and look what we found. A Trimaran.
The Trimaran in question is a Dragonfly 25. Its maximum crew is 4 to 6 people, depending on the version. Its max speed advertised on the website is 21 plus knots. Now, I hope that plus contains a few knots because it's a Trimaran after all.
We found a brand new sailing boat for what? 23,000 euros, so that's not a lot. It's a 26-foot Vico. This is it. For a 26-foot boat, that's not a bad price. But how does it look inside? First catamaran we saw here today.
This is actually an X-Cat. It can be modeled as a sailing boat, motorboat, stand-up paddling boat, and of course a rowing boat.
It's a bit smaller than ours.
Next boat we looked at is the 26-foot Maxxis Evo.
So this boat is pretty small as well, but for 26 feet, it actually has a lot of stuff in it. Small galley. I think it's lacking a fridge, but I'm not sure actually. No, it even has a tiny fridge. There's a head and 2 sleeping rooms. So it's 37,000, but still okay for that big of a boat. 24-foot brother, pretty much the same. There's no separate cabin in the front, but it's actually pretty nice.
Next we checked out Bavaria boats. Now we've sailed a Bavaria and a Beneteau along the Croatian coastline, and they're both great cruising ships. But I gotta say, I prefer the Beneteau.
They've got everything here.
There's a lot to see at the Austrian Boatshow. Advanced prop systems, fancy recreational vessels, and all kinds of motors. And just crazy stuff. Red Bull had a racing catamaran on display, and that thing was really impressive.
I'm alone. Marc is asking Sun Tours if they need a skipper, so that'll be interesting. And I'm checking out the rest of the convention.
400 euros for 1 week, it's not enough.
Finally, we found a catamaran comparable to ours, the Top Cat.
So this is one of the catamarans we almost got, but then we decided to get the Hobie Cat Miracle. This is the Top Cat. One boat I want to look at is the Sun Odyssey behind me. It's apparently the boat of the year 2018, so we're gonna go and get Marc and head over there. Now we're in the motorboat warehouse, so not quite as interesting as the others. There's some futuristic stuff here. There's one thing we didn't find. We didn't find a Hobie Cat stand. Everything is getting emptier and emptier. But that's good for me. More to see, less people.
Next week, we're continuing with our navigation lesson. And the week after that, I'll tell you what yachts and boats I preferred at the Austrian Boatshow and what vessel I can imagine getting for myself in the future. Thanks for watching, everyone, and as always, fair winds to you.